So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's me, John Sungo, of course. So for today's vlog, another informative vlog na naman ang aking share sa inyo, and this time it's all about GSIS Calamity Loan. So ayan guys, medyo delayed na yung vlog ko regarding sa Calamity Loan. Paano nga ba mag-apply or paano nga ba maka-avail ng GSIS Calamity Loan? Actually, pangalawang loan ko na ng GSIS. So, yung vlog ko is regarding lang, kumbaga as per experience. A disclaimer lang I'm not affiliated with any GSIS branch, and at the same time, this is not paid advertisements. Brief description. Ano nga ba itong GSIS Calamity Loan? From the word itself, Calamity Loan, no? Ibig sabihin, yung mga makaka-avail lang nito is yung mga kapag na-declare na ang inyong city na under state of calamity. So alam naman natin, no, ang daming mga nagdaang bagyo dito na tumama sa ating bansa. Kapag nakapag-avail na kayo last year ng calamity loan, ang pinaka-minimum kasi noon is 20,000 pesos na pwede nyong i-avail. Kapag pangalawang beses na kayong nakapag-avail, madadagdagan yung inyong second loan. Payable ito within 3 years. So yung halimbawa, last year nakapag calamity loan kayo, hindi nyo pa tapos bayaran, magka-calamity loan ulit kayo this year. So ang mangyayari is, ang i-avail nyo calamity loan is ibabawas lang yung previous loan nyo. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung makukuha natin ngayong mag-avail ulit ng calamity loan. Make sure na meron na kayong GSIS Touch Up. Punta lang kayo sa GSIS Touch Up and then magla-login lang kayo. Dito sa guys, sa member record, i-swipe nyo lang. Dito sa loans, ayan, meron daw akong available 6 loans. Outstanding balance ko is 14,869.89. Date granted July 29, 2024. Ito yung loan ko last year. Kumbaga nag-avail din ako ng calamity loan worth 20,000 pesos. So active pa siya. So click natin tong available loans, guys. Yung emergency loan, ito yung calamity loan, guys. Sabi dito, gross amount is 35,288.33. Deduction is 15,288.33. Kaya may deduction ako is because yung loan ko last year, which is 20,000 pesos. Nabawas na yung loan ko last year. So 20,000 pesos na lang, which is supposedly is 35,288.33. So click na natin tong show tentative computation details para malaman natin kung magkano yung ating monthly deduction. Sabi dito, monthly installment is 1,156.64 payable for 3 years. So, first due month is October and maturity date is September 2028. So, 3 years siya. Matatapos pa ng 2028. Ang monthly ko is 1,156.64 kada buwan. Ibabawas sa sahod ko. Andito yung mga details. So, sabi dito, subject daw for further adjustment. If ready na kayo guys, click lang natin tong I have read the terms and condition at I confirm that I am an active member as of the date of loan. So, make sure na active member pa kayo at meron kayong hulog ng deduction, salary deduction ng inyong GSIS. Nga pala guys, bago ko ituloy itong itong ating loan. So sa mga mag-avail pa ng calamity loan o GSIS, pwede ba kayong humabol up to October 2025, of course. Basta sa Metro Manila kasi na-declare tayo ng under state of calamity yung July, di ba? And then so matatapos tayo after 90 days. So 3 months 'yon. So October pa. Habol pa kayo guys. So and guys, if ready na kayo, you can submit loan. Click nyo lang tong submit loan application para ma-avail nyo na ang inyong calamity loan. So, click natin tong submit loan application. Click natin tong yes, apply for loan. Sabi dito, identify verification. We will now verify your identity via facial authentication. Please allow GSIS touch to access your camera. Prepare yourself to take a selfie. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. So, may selfie daw. You have up to 1 attempt to complete this transaction. If your attempt fails, please wait 7 calendar days before trying again. So, 7 days pa kapag na-decline daw kayo ngayong dito sa ating first attempt. So, click natin tong I understand. And then, your captured photo will be saved in our system for documentation. So, click proceed. GSIS Touch would like to access your camera. Okay? Click allow. Let's verify your identity. Proceed to take selfie. Look straight to the camera. And guys, congratulations. Thank you for verifying your identity. You have successfully submitted your loan application. Updates to your loan application should now be reflected under the applied loans transaction. So, under verification. So, return to home page. So, antayin lang natin siya guys. May magme-message sa inyo from GSIS sa email o sa mobile number na ginamit nyo upon application ng GSIS Touch App. So, antayin lang natin siya guys. Usually, it will take only 7 days. Yan. So, make sure na meron kayong GSIS Loyalty Card Plus. Kasi, dito isasabit yung pera na, na loan nyo. Okay? Mag-update na lang ako sa inyo if ever na ma-approve. So, pero usually naman, 101% ma-approve naman. Wala namang nade-decline dito sa calamity loan. Ayun sabi dito, emergency loan status is in process for AAO approval. Antayin ko na lang yung message ng GSIS sa akin. Aking email at mobile number. So yan guys, so hopefully nakatulong itong vlog ko na to para sa mga gusto maka-avail ng GSIS Calamity Loan. Pwede ba kayong humabol guys hanggang October 2025 pa siya. So if nagustuhan itong video ko, don't forget to LSS, like, share, and subscribe. So thank you very much guys for watching and hope to see you again sa aking next video. Ito pa rin si Jonel.